It's Jordan 11 time. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. Today is Jordan 11 times. I'm going to rank my Jordan 11s. I've got 7 in my rotation. I'm going to rank from 1 to 7. Let's see what my best Jordan 11 is, and let's see what my worst Jordan 11 is. Not saying that it's too bad. I'm just saying that's the bottom of the barrel. But before we do that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATL. Go follow the bro. Go show him some love and support, because it always shows the channel love and support. And also, guys, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep elevating, to keep growing, to keep hitting your targets and your goals. We're entering 2025, so let's make some new targets and goals, and let's exceed those targets and goals, because I want you to win. We all want you to win over here, because you gotta keep being awesome, guys. But today, without further ado, let's rank all my Jordan 11s. So I have 7 Jordan 11s in my rotation. So number 7 is gonna be, hey presto shabang, it is the Jubilee 11, a celebratory anniversary, 25th anniversary Jordan 11. And it came with an absolutely beautiful box. It kind of is a replication of like the Space Jams infused with the milky outsole. I like it. I like it because I got it, and I like it for the way it is, what it does, and absolutely celebrates the 25th anniversary of the Jordan 11. I didn't kind of mean to pay like disrespect by saying it's bottom of the bucket, but it's not bottom of the bucket. It is an absolutely beautiful rendition of the Jordan 11, especially with the Jordan on the actual eyelets. They're absolutely gorgeous, absolutely fantastic, and they are metal eyelets as well, as you can see. And I love the actual metal Jumpman at the back as well. That's chrome metallic metal Jumpman. 23 on the back like usual. It is an absolutely beautiful rendition, and I feel I need to wear this a bit more. It is just a fantastic sneaker in my personal opinion. Coming at number 7, coming in at the bottom, but still a fantastic sneaker. And this is just the start of some excellent Jordan 11s. Number 6 on the list is, hey presto shabang, it is the Gratitude 11s, an absolutely beautiful rendition. It was supposed to be called the DMP 11s. If I'm honest, they changed the name. They took away the DMP name from it. They took away the kind of gold Jordan eyelets that you're supposed to have with it. I think that was a sample pair. They were going to kind of, there's rumors of it being a sample pair of the actual rendition coming out to the public. It didn't come out, it didn't materialize, and obviously you got that 23 on the back as well. I love that. That absolutely beautiful. It's not even printed. It is like metallic 23, metallic gold Jumpman at the back. Absolutely beautiful. And if you don't know, it looks like the Concord 11. It absolutely is a beautiful rendition with more of a milky outsole. I definitely need to get these on feet. Definitely need to get these on feet soon. I love it for what it is, and even the actual plush leather, where you would normally get like a mesh material, you get the leather, which is plush, which is absolutely fantastic, which is absolutely awesome. I love this sneaker. A lot of people didn't like this sneaker. I love this sneaker, and I still adore this sneaker, and this comes in at number 6 because the rest of the number 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1s are absolutely beautiful. Number 5 on my Jordan 11 list is, hey presto shabang, it is the cool grey 11. Regarded as to some an OG, regarded to myself as an OG because Michael Jordan wore it, but it didn't come out in the release date, so some people classify this as an OG, some people don't classify this as an OG. I'm classifying this as an OG in my personal opinion, because if Michael Jordan wore it, then I classify it as an OG, and this is a fantastic sneaker. Cool grey 11s, everybody was hyped when it was actually announced. Everybody pretty much got these when it was announced, and I've actually worn these, and these are absolutely beautiful on feet, absolutely fantastic on feet. Love everything about this. The 23 on the back, which is actually printed in. You got the actual Jumpman, which is basically stitched in at the back, and even the materials at the top is more of a new Bucky material, which is absolutely different. It's like the sample pair. It's different to the actual normal Jordan 11s we get with a mesh. It is another fantastic rendition, absolutely gorgeous and absolutely beautiful in my personal opinion. I love the cool grey 11s. I'm really excited to get these in hand. I'm really excited to put these on feet, and as you can see, I've actually worn these. You can see the bumps on it. I've actually worn these. Don't get the patent leather scratch, don't get the patent leather fluffed up or messed up because it is hard to get out the actual scratches on this actual sneaker. If you got it scratches on the patent leather, absolutely beautiful rendition, absolutely gorgeous sneaker. I do love the cool grays. I'm so happy when they actually announced the release of these, and I'm so happy to get them on feet. Absolutely gorgeous sneaker. So number 5 on my list is the Jordan 11 cool gray. Number 4 on this list is Hey Presto Shabang. It is the actual legend blue, formerly known as a Columbia blue. Basically an absolutely gorgeous Jordan 11. I was not around when this actually released in 2014. I'm glad this has come back 10 years later in 2024, and it just means that I was able to pick this sneaker up, and I've been looking for this sneaker for myself and for the bro for the last 5 years. I've gone through pairs that are worn out, I've gone through pairs that are semi-de-essed, I've gone through pairs that are absolutely run through. I'm just glad this came out, and I might even pick up a second pair of these, because whenever I like a sneaker, I always do go and pick up a second pair. I think this sneaker is absolutely phenomenal. I'm glad this came out. I'm glad I was able to cop this, and I'm absolutely glad I'm able to showcase this with the actual black tag with the 23 on the back, with the actual Jumpman stitched in at the back as well. And if you didn't know, the actual leather panels on this are actually traditional to the actual legend blues, which is basically different to the actual mesh that we get in Jordan 11s. But this is a fantastic release for 2024. This is an essential for every Jordan 11 fan, and I'm saying this is one of the OGs. This came out 1 year after the actual OGs came out, and this is a fantastic rendition. It was actually worn, I think, at the All-Star game, and that was it, by Michael Jordan. So this is another OG, and this is another classic, and this is another sneaker that I think is absolutely dope. With all of that white, with that legend blue, that icy blue outsole on the sneaker, absolutely does this sneaker so much grace. This is a fantastic sneaker, and it ends up on number 4 on my list. All right, so here we go. It's the top 3 Jordan 11s in my rotation, and this is the first Jordan 11 I ever got, and this is what actually drew me in, got me absolutely loving Jordan 11s, even though I loved them before I actually picked them up. But this is the first Jordan 11 in my rotation, and hey, presto, shabang, that's right guys, it is the Space Jam 11. I got this on the restock at Christmas in 2016. This is a fantastic sneaker. I missed the original release, and I actually picked them up in 2016 when it actually restocked at Christmas, and I was on the bus and I literally had no reception, and I was able to pick this up, which is crazy guys. As you can see, you got a Concord actual Jumpman on the back, you got a 20, or you got 45 on the back rather than 23, and this is an iconic sneaker. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely, like, go and watch the Space Jam movie if you don't believe me. This is a fantastic sneaker. Michael Jordan wore them, so I'm going to classify them as an OG, and I absolutely love this sneaker. Icy blue out, so as you can see, it's starting to age out a bit more, and I do believe we're going to get another rendition soon in 2026 at the latest. It might come out next year with all the rumors about Gammas coming out. It might just drop a Space Jam. It might even come out in 2026. I think this is due to release. This is the next OG, in my personal opinion, that's going to release, and this is a fantastic sneaker guys. This comes in number 3 in my actual list, and I'm so glad I was able to cop this when I was able to cop this. Otherwise I'd be missing out on a absolutely gorgeous sneaker. All black on the uppers, mesh on the actual sneaker as you can see, and then you've got that white and icy blue outsole. More of like an icy blue outsole, less icy than the actual Columbia, but icy enough guys. Absolutely beautiful rendition, absolutely amazing sneaker, and absolutely grateful to get this in my rotation. If you don't know about the box guys, the box is phenomenal with the galaxy in the inside of the box. It is like an old traditional box, literally fit to purpose, comes with all the mod cons. It is a fantastic box, and when you see the actual cover, which I'm going to try and show you guys, you can't get away from this cover. Look at that Looney Tune cover on this actual box, absolutely fire. Looney Tunes on the box as well, and this is definitely a Looney Tune sneaker. Glad to get this in my rotation. This comes at number 3. The Space Jam hits at number 3 guys. All right, so number 2 in my rotation of Jordan 11s is hey presto shabang. It is the Concord 11, a classic, an absolutely legendary sneaker. And you're probably gonna say I'm blasphemous for saying this, but this is number 2 in my actual rotation. I have one sneaker that outdoes this, and this is Concord. You can't get worse than a Concord 11. Absolutely fantastic. It comes in with the actual Concord insole, which is like this very hard Concord insole, and that's dope. I love this sneaker. This is fire. This is absolutely amazing. I've had this on feet once or twice. Every time I wear the Space Jams or the Concord 11s, everybody looks at my feet. That I'm just gonna say that. Like in the UK, especially in the UK, if you're wearing Jordan 11s, especially Concords, like the OGs, Space Jam, Concords, even Legend Blue, in a couple of years' time, people will be looking at your feet. Because when I wore those Space Jam 11s at the outlets, I think I was going to the Nike outlet. I had Space Jam 11s on. You know, true sneakerheads when they slow down, turn around and check your feet out, because they were looking at the Space Jams, and that's a fantastic feeling. But guys, absolutely beautiful. 45 in the back. If you don't know about the 45, it's all about when Michael Jordan came back and couldn't get his 23 jersey, he was wearing 45. That's what the actual Concord's all about. Absolutely legendary sneaker, absolutely beautiful sneaker. Probably one of the best Jordan 11s around, and probably number one on a lot of people's Jordan 11 list, but this comes at number 2. Love the pattern leather look on this. Absolutely dope with the actual white mesh at the top, black Jumpman at the back, and you can see the white midsole with that actual translucent outsole. I wouldn't call it icy blue, translucent outsole. And even the pods on this is absolutely fantastic with those Concord pods. Absolutely fantastic sneaker, absolutely beautiful in my personal opinion, and the Concord lands at number 2, guys. So here we are, guys. You're probably asking me what my number 1 actual Jordan 11 is, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is one of my favorites. Before I showcase it, this is one of my favorite sneakers. I actually doubled up on this because I had to have 2 of these. This is the contrast with the actual colorway on this is absolutely phenomenal. I love this sneaker a lot, and this is my favorite Jordan 11 out of all the Jordan 11s out there, and it is, hey presto shabang, it is the Bread 11s. Absolutely fantastic, guys. That black to white to red ratio on this sneaker is fantastic. The red Jumpman on the back is fantastic. The 23 on the back is fantastic. The overall look on this sneaker is fantastic. This is my DS pair, which is absolutely amazing. This sneaker is fire, absolutely fire. Look at the black and red pods on this, the translucent red on this. And another reason why I love this sneaker is that red always stays, guys. That red is predominantly there. It never goes away. It doesn't go yellow. Nothing happens to this sneaker. It is fantastic. The only thing that's going to happen to the sneaker over time, it isn't going to crumble, because the patent leather is going to crumble, the midsole might crumble, but that is it. Aesthetically, this is absolutely beautiful. All the best colors in the world. You've got the white, the red, and the black on this. Fantastic sneaker, in my personal opinion, and this is why it hits number 1 in my actual rotation. I have 7 Jordan 11s. I get my Jordan 11s that I love, and those sneakers I've actually showcased today is the ones I love, and this comes up on top every single time. Every single time I pull out this Jordan 11 bread, it's just fantastic, guys. There's nothing I can say bad about this sneaker, and I feel like this is such an iconic sneaker. Playoff sneaker in hand, a championship winning sneaker in hand, absolutely beautiful sneaker in hand. It's just an amazing sneaker. Like, everything about this, even the thick red insoles on this is fire. Absolutely fire. Absolutely fantastic sneaker. Leather on point, mesh on point, pattern leather on point. Everything about the Bread 11 is, I love it. Absolutely love it. So that's my number 1 sneaker, guys. That's the one I like the most. That's the one I'm always going to go to the most. It is that Jordan 11 Bread. Fantastic sneaker, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what Jordan 11's at the top of your Christmas tree. Let me know the actual Jordan 11 that you prefer the most, that you want to rock the most. I've got all the OGs at this moment in time, and I'm actually loving them. And I think 2D actual sneakers I've actually got outside the OGs represent the OGs, like the actual Gratitude 11 is more like a Concord, and I even say the actual Jubilee 11's more like possibly like a Space Jam. It kind of feels that way to me, and this is why I get them. And I can't wait for the next renditions. Even if we get the Gamma 11 next year, I'm definitely picking that up. Even if we get another all black variation of a Jordan 11, and even the Rare Air 11s, with the mock-ups look great. I'm not going to go to the mock-ups. I'm going to see what the actual sneaker looks like. I love Jordan 11s. As you can see, I pick up just Jordan 11s I love, and I always wear the Jordan 11s I love. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what Jordan 11 you'll be going for. Let me know what Jordan 11's on at the top of your list, and let me know if I made a wrong choice in my list, because it's my choice. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know what's on the top of your list, and let me know what you prefer the most in terms of your Jordan 11s. But for me, TJ, I love Kid Customs, like I normally do, like I normally say at the end of the reviews. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And hope you guys cop the sneakers sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want from me, TJ, and Love Kit Customs. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.